Let's go.
What are you actually checking? And you found them?
No, we just checked the place with the bungalows. It's amazing. Good morning, it's our first day here in Uzundere. I think it's gonna be great. Look at this, it has a bit like a Dolomite flair, huh? Turkish Dolomites. Very good.
Uzundere Airfest. Let's go.
Yo man, yo! We are going to middle of the mountain. There's a small houses there. You see?
Oh, yeah.
That's the animal houses, and we're gonna see some animals there.
Which one will we see?
The big one. There is just one power line. The power lines, right side of the middle, and there's a road is going like this. You can use that road also. There is no cable. Perfect.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Those guys are silly, eh?
Driver ever.
Best driver. Cengiz.
We're about to go base jumping.
Door maar dit. Springen.
So we are on a new spot. It's like a base exit spot. Let's see if we can take off with the paraglider here. Or it's just me. The others will go with base.
Watch out for this. We put the rocks here. There are also some over there. If you hit on, then you can tumble. These conditions are a little bit windy. So since we are doing like cliff jump, wind is the most crucial part. That's why we are checking the winds with the most primitive way. And this is wind up. Today is windy. These conditions are not predictable. My opinion is to cancel the jump today. Okay then, let's go. Let's go.
Yesterday was a little bit too strong for us beginners and even for the pros. And I'm excited because after that we're going to fly.
So here we are again. Let's give it another try. The boys will try to jump down there with the base equipment and I bring the P. I try to film them air to air. I don't know if it's possible to take off somewhere over there. Let's see. What an area here. It's crazy. Just look at this. I found a nice takeoff here. It's super steep. I think I can manage to take off from here. We try to catch some nice footage down there. I will take off, and at the same time one guy will jump and I try to fly by. And how you feel?
I feel good. I'm getting mentally ready.
Tell me when you're ready, okay? Ready. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect! Nice one!
To fly. Yes! It's gonna be fun.
Wow, look there.
So maybe it's time to pee-pee.
Ferdi, what's the issue?
They have to make a new road for us, you know?
Now we realize it's the wrong road.
We should have realized it before we started working. That's the point.
Anyway.
At least we did midday sport.
New takeoff. Got a long road up here, but yeah, we made it. Down there, you can see the lake. So yeah, it will be interesting here.
For me, it's okay. You know, I have a little baby, small one. That's why.
What's your baby now?
It's Pete. That's okay for us.
And we're turning around another time. It's broken. Oh no. Crashed the car a bit. Now we have a broken wheel and they're already fixing it, so it's gonna be good in 10 seconds again.
You ready for real, of course? You should see there. I cannot explain with the words. That's a playground, man. You know the Lake Garda takeoff?
Yeah.
This is the second Lake Garda.
For me it's good.
fest Luftkohle, Rolli.
It's good for you guys. I like the breeze.
Der ist schon auf mich warten mit dem Positionieren. Der kannst du sagen, wie was anfangen.
Boys, what's up? We are enjoying the view.
Das ist ja ganz ehrlich, ne?
We are at 2,000 meters on a plateau. A wild turkey. Woohoo!
I'm super excited. We have to see the cliff. If there's a wind, it's gonna be super nice.
Is it the cliff that we saw on the way up?
Yeah, that's.
Oh wow!
Yes. Let's check the cliff.
Today we went to a different flying site. We checked now the cliff. There's a little bit of wind, so there's a possibility for soaring, but we need to check out. We're going now to the top and see if the wind is more there.
That's right.
So let's hope the wind is getting more.
Yeah.
And
I believe it.
yeah,
And also, you know the old guy from the village? They were just preparing the gut. Please, less wind because they will fly here. They don't know anything about the fly. That's why they want less wind. And I tell them, okay, talk with the gut again. We need more wind. They will talk with the gut. They have a good connection.
We arrived here on the plateau at 2,500 meters. Now we're checking for some takeoffs and maybe it's soarable. Let's see. Looks promising. I hope we're gonna soar up.
we have a few spectators there. Let's say hello to them.
we play close to the rocks and then we fly out and do some acro.
Wow, so good, huh? So unexpected, so good.
Sağ ol. Merhaba.
Seriously?
Maşallah subhanallah. Memleket neresi?
No Turkish.
Ha?
Akıllara zarar.
This is yours? Ah, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Teşekkürler.
See, one more coming.
Red.
Merhaba. Hoş geldin. After landing here, the local people now invited us for some lunch.
Breakfast.
They call it breakfast, but we had
Here's some
we had a but for breakfast it's like 5 o'clock in the evening now.
There's no time for breakfast in here. You can have it all the time. Boys are going to have breakfast in the village house. What do you think about it? There's some fresh honey